Muling full play ng ating SPP Under 16 Pambansang Tatluhan National. Ang mga
Isa game for team of Region 5 up against for team of Region 10. Let's play some basketball. Tatluhan na. At number 3, Pupukol. Hindi sa ball from the top of the K-wall. At for team of Region 5, boom! Yung malaking batang numero 2 para sa grupo ng Region 5, good for 1. At from downtown, no. Di sa last game ng ating elimination game for SPP 3x3. Kung sino rin po yung mananalo dito, siya may makakapasok para sa ating quarterfinals di sa do or die game. Boom!
Silang pag-asa kapag nanalo. Pag nagkaroon kapag nanalo ang Region 5. As Region 10
good for 1 point.
That would end up as a triple tie. Region 4, Region 4, Region 10.
Kung sino po yung manalo dito, siya rin po yung papasok sa ating quarterfinals para sa SPP 3x3.
Sorry, miss.
We have only 8 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. 1-2, 1 point lead for team of Region 5. Off the glass, no, number 2, Putma. Boom! Good for 1 point. 8 minutes and 35 seconds, 8 seconds on the shot clock. Gagamit pa ng mahiwagang bandaan para yung isang puntos. Maidagdag sa kanilang talaan for team of Region 2, Region 10.
Two-pointer.
Eight seconds on the shot clock, 7 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 3, couple of spin and a jumper, yes sir! Sanay kong magpaikot-ikot. At round the 2-point lane, not good. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Put back, wala pa rin. Taken for number 1. Ikot pass, number 2. Iniskarte pero walang nadali. Bali yung number 2 yung malaking bata for team of Region 5. Pinapagpag lang yung depensa. Good for 1. Outside jumper, no. Taken for team of Blue Shirt, number 2. Lista mo na para sa grupo. All 5 points. 7 minutes and 10 seconds. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Good for 1 point. Patuloy na umabante. Para sa grupo ng Region 5, nice side step. Number 1, sabay reverse. Basketball count at may kauban pang foul.
And the free throw line.
Six minutes and 35 seconds. Wala para sa grupo ng Region 10. 6 minutes and 30 seconds na lang yung natitira. Once again, this is the last game para sa ating elimination game for SPP 3x3 Pambansang Tatluhan National Finals 2024. 6 minutes and 20 seconds, 8 seconds on the shot clock para sa mga nakaputi. Agaw nitong mga nakasul, number 1, makapalibre! Pero hindi pumasok. Can't connect from the Rainbow Country.
Patuloy pa rin pinatampala ng defense ng Region 5. Getting their own miss.
5 minutes and 45, 8 seconds shot clock. Kick out pass, number 1. Couple of fake, inside layup, no. Offensive board, number 2. Put back. Good for 1 point. 6-8, 2-point lead for team of Region 10. One-on-one play.
On the 2.
5 minutes and 15, 5 seconds on the shot clock. Gumamit pa ng salaming may grado. Para yung 2 puntos masigurado para sa grupo. 7-8, number 4. At Apit under basket count. At may kasama pang foul.
minutes to play.
Four minutes and 45 seconds.
It's a shot clock, paubos na yan.
3 seconds on the shot clock. 2 seconds on the shot clock. To beat the buzzer. No! All 8 hour running score with 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 1 using the screen. Pero hindi maganda yung pagkaka-screen. Nasubrahan ng paglalambing. Call for a charging foul for team of Region 10.
Para sa 8.
8 seconds on the shot clock. Number 4. Elalea, wala! Taken for team of White Shirt. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Stolen for team of Blue. 3 minutes and 48. Umatabla tayo sa 8. Bounce pass. Bigay sa rolling number 3. Good! For 1 point. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Lista muna para sa Region 5. 3 minutes and 30. Number 2, quick cross behind the back. 5 second shot clock. Sabay side step. Reverse shot. Bang! Good for 1 point.
Yung din naman ang sagot.
Pero yung sagot ng Region 5, ibang klase din. All 10 points. 3 minutes and 10 seconds from the top. Pababang! Good for 2 points.
Offensive foul na.
Basketball not count. Call.
Sasamahan ka kami hanggang may manalo ng kampiyonato. Ito sa ating 2024
Minutes and 55 na lang yung natitira. Number 2, sasalaksak. Ibigay sa number 1. Arasi may number 4. Pero wala yung layup na yun para sa grupo ng Region 10. Number 4 for team of White Shirt Region 5. Siya naman yung iikot. Pero wala ring napulot.
Pero may foul.
Minutes and 30 seconds. Then 12 ang ating running score. 2-point lead. 7 seconds shot clock. Number 2. Antipo ng 2 point yung Region 10.
But don't switch that two-pointer. Tapos naman yung sa Bicol.
Eight seconds on the shot clock. 2 minutes to go. One minute and 45 seconds. Abante pa rin na 2 puntos yung team ng Region 10. From the left corner, jumper no. Taken for number 3. Fade away. Wala pa rin para sa grupo ng mga nasa putian. Number 1. Pero hindi napagpag yung numero 2 para sa grupo ng Region 5. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Number 4, di diskarte. Isang puntos yung muling natali. 11-12, 1 point lead. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Mahaba-habang kwento pa to.
The referees will confirm. And it's an unsportsmanlike foul that was tagged against Region 5.
We have only 1 minute and 14 seconds, 9 seconds on the shot clock. Going to the 15-foot line, number 2 is sa mga pambato for Region 10. Itong number 2 nakasalang from the free throw lane, 1 minute and 14 seconds. 1 point lead for team of Region 10. Sinapal free throw for number 2 for team of Region 10. 11 up against 12. We have only 1 minute and 14 seconds. Last sinapal free throw, good for 1.
2-point lead for Region 10.
8 seconds on the shot clock. 1 minute and 8 seconds from down. Bang! Good for 2 points. We have only time remaining. 1 minute to go. Boom! Iba yung bawi ng Region 10. 13 up against 14. We have only 1 point. 50 seconds remaining. 3 seconds on the shot clock.
Matatawagan ang Bisaya back to the basket.
49 seconds. Dahil hindi na ilabas ng maayos para sa grupo ng Region 5 yung bola. That's why mapupunta yung bola para sa grupo ng Region 10. 45 seconds, 7 seconds on the shot clock. 1 point lead for team of blue shirt. We have only 2 seconds on the shot clock. Number, hit the buzzer, no! 35 seconds. Malapit na po tayong matapos. Lumalamang ng 1 point for team of Region 10. Not good for Region 5. 25 seconds. We have only 7 seconds on the shot clock. Steal. Number 4. Puts it up. Bang! All 14 points. Hindi pa tapos yung kwento. Meron pa tayong 13 seconds. We have only 5 seconds shot clock. Kick out. Number 4 or number 1. Gandang pasa. Pero hindi pa. 5.7 seconds. 5.7 remaining time. Number 4. And creating some space. Sinagis na lang. We have only 2. And that's it. Go to the overtime. Overtime po tayo. Overtime po tayo. Race to 2 points. Lead lock at 14. Number 2 for team of Region 10. Tutuldukan na ba? Not good for team of blue shirt. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Wala! Taken for number 2. Setting for number 4. Down. Pero hindi na ilabas ng maayos para sa grupo ng Region 5. All 14. Race to 2 points. Paunahan, makadalawa. Number 1 for the win. Wala pa rin. Taken for team of blue shirt. We have only 8 seconds shot clock. Number 1 harassing by number 2. 5 seconds on the shot clock. 3 seconds shot clock for the win. Wala. Battle for rebound.
Ball out of bounds, right for down.
Down. Wala pa rin. All 14. Rainbow boundary. That means putback. Boom! 14-15. Isang puntos na lang kailangan ipasok for team of Region 5. Pero hindi pa tapos yung kwento. Itong mga naka-asul. We have only 1 second shot clock. Pero naubusan ng shot clock for team of Region 10.
Another crack for the victory.
Titignan natin kung yung 1 point tutuldukan na ba ng grupo ng Region 5. Number 4, couple of fake in spin move. Number 2, kick out for number 3. Siya yung diniskarte. Wala! Ayaw pumasok.
Region 10 got the rebound.
At number 1, setting for number 2. At number 1! Too strong, taken for number 4. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Authorized ball rotation move for the win. Not good. 14-15. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Number 3. And there was a foul. There's a foul, mga kaibigan. There's a foul. Putihan ng mga grupo ng Region 5. Itong mga grupo ng mga sa putihan. Number 4. Tapusin na ba? Congratulations! Advantage for the quarterfinals for SPP 3x3 Pambansang Tatuan for team of Region 5.